Muslims, do you answer this 5 easy questions about Quran Pak? There is a rule. If your one answer gets wrong, you have to share this. And if more than one, you have to follow. You have 5 seconds to answer. Let's start. Number 1. How many surahs are there in the Quran Pak? Answer. 114 surahs. Number 2. Which surah is the longest surah in the Quran Pak? Answer. Surah Al-Baqarah. Number 3. Who is considered the first person to have memorized the entire Quran Pak? Answer. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Number 4. Which surah is known as the heart of the Quran Pak? Answer. Surah Yasin. And number 5. Which surah is known as the verse of light? Answer. Surah An-Nur. Comment your score from 5 and follow for more.